मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। आज हम इंडियन ऑनलाइन की स्कूल की तरफ से आप सबके लिए एक मैथ्स का सेशन लेकर आए हैं और आप इन सेशंस को एवरी सैटरडे आप हमारे चैनल्स पर देख सकते हैं और इन सेशंस का आप लाभ उठा सकते हैं। इसलिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और प्लीज देखने जरूर आइए। तो आज मैं जो टॉपिक लेने लगी हूँ, ये जो टॉपिक है ये जनरली हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में बहुत यूज करते हैं। ओके, so I think all of the student must know what is this topic. I'm talking about fraction. What is a fraction? So if I will think about, let's suppose अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें खाना देते हैं, मान लो हमारी मम्मी ने आपकी मम्मी ने आपको खाना दिया, ठीक है, और आपको वो खाना पसंद नहीं आया, यू डिडंट लाइक दैट फूड, तो आपने इसको थोड़ा सा ही फिनिश किया, आपने लेट सपोज 1/4 पार्ट फिनिश किया या हाफ फिनिश किया, और आपकी मम्मा ने आकर आपको डांटा कि आपने तो यू हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड हाफ ऑफ दैट. So what is half here? This is a fraction. Okay. In our daily life, we always use fraction everywhere. Okay. Just like if you can see that in a time, if it is a quarter past 7, so it is a 7:15. Half past 6, it is a 6:30. So what is this? This is a time. So now let me share my screen with you. So we will discuss now what is a fraction. So I'm taking your favorite फूड है, राइट? बिकॉज बच्चों को पिज्जा बहुत पसंद है, ठीक है, तो हम पिज्जा से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो व्हाट इज अ फ्रैक्शन? व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू अ नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स, एवरीबॉडी प्लीज कीप इन माइंड इट इक्वल पार्ट्स शुड बी देयर. अगर हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं तो एवरी पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एट दिस फ्रैक्शन. Let's suppose this is a small size, regular size pizza. If I will divide this pizza into 4 equal parts, you also know, जब भी आप डोमिनोज या कहीं से भी ऑर्डर करते हैं तो रेगुलर पिज्जा, स्मॉल पिज्जा आपको 4 पार्ट्स में आता है, ठीक है. तो इसका एवरी पार्ट, व्हाट इज एवरी पार्ट हियर? दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, मुझे तो बहुत भूख लगी थी, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने तो इसके 3 पार्ट्स ले लिए और 3 पार्ट्स को मैंने फिनिश कर दिया. ओके, मैंने क्या किया, 3 पार्ट्स खा लिए, ठीक है. तो ये जो 3 पार्ट्स मैंने खाए हैं, इफ आई विल आस्क व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फूड ईटन बाय मी, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ पिज्जा, सॉरी, ओके, ईटन बाय मी, तो क्या फ्रैक्शन है बताइए? मैंने कितने पार्ट्स खाए? 3. कितने में से? 4 में से. So 3/4 is the fraction what I have eaten. Or if my question is to you, what is the fraction of pizza left? So tell me, how many pieces are left? 1 pieces, but out of 4. So 1/4 is the fraction of left pizza. Okay, so this is a point. This is a fraction. So what is a fraction? If we will divide anything, any whole object into equal number of parts, if I'm taking any part, that is called, every part is called as a fraction. Okay. So now we will discuss about what are the parts of fraction. Just I have given an example because I have eaten 3 pieces out of 4. So what is a 3 here? 3 is a numerator. And what is a 4 here? 4 is a denominator. Okay. Denominator means total number of parts. If I have divided pizza into 4 equal parts, so 4 is my denominator. If I will divide the pizza into 6 equal parts, 6 will be my denominator. If I will divide the pizza into 8 equal parts, then 8 will be my denominator. So what is the denominator? The denominator tells us the whole is divided into. What is numerator? Numerator tells us the number of parts I'm talking about. If I'm talking about the pizza eaten by me, then the answer will be 3/4. If I'm talking about how many pieces are left, what is the fraction of left pizza? So left pizza, if I will divide the pizza into 4 equal parts and I have eaten 3 parts, so 3 out of 4. In this, 3 is my numerator and 4 is my denominator. If my question is to you, what is the fraction of pizza left? So how many pieces are left? So 1 out of 4. So in every case, denominator remains the same in these cases, but numerators change according to my question. Okay, numerator will change according to my question. Numerator tell us I'm talking about which thing. Okay, I'm talking about my eaten parts. I'm talking about my left portions or whatever I'm talking about. Okay, got it everyone? So this is a numerator and denominator. If my question is to you again, what is a numerator? Numerator tell us the number of parts we are taking from the whole thing. And what is denominator? Denominator tell us the टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स. हमने पिज्जा को या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है वो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर होगा. और जिन पार्ट्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं, अगर मैं लेफ्ट पिज्जा की बात कर रही हूं तो मेरा लेफ्ट पिज्जा मेरा न्यूमरेटर आ जाएगा, कितने पार्ट्स बचे हुए हैं. अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि मैंने कितने पीसेस खाए हैं तो वो मेरा न्यूमरेटर खाने वाले पीसेस का आ जाएगा. अगर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये हो कि कितने पार्ट्स मैंने किसी को दिए हैं, मान लो मैंने 2 पीसेस आपको दिए और 1 पीस मैंने खुद खाया, तो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीसेस आई हैव गिवन टू यू, तो आपका आंसर आएगा 2/4, बिकॉज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पिज्जा. गॉट इट? सो दीज आर द न्यूमरेटर्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स. Just like if I will read this example, how much of pizza do we have below? The blue color is our whole pizza. If we divide the whole pizza into 8 congruent pieces, what is the meaning of congruent? Congruent means equal. Okay, just like our hands, my hands are equal. Everything is equal, so these are congruent. Okay, so if I will divide the pizza into 8 equal parts, then my denominator will be 8. If I'm talking about how much pizza is left, so if you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 pieces are left. So it means 7/8 of the pizza is left. In which, what is 7? 7 is your numerator. And what is 8? 8 is your denominator. Numerator tell us the which we are talking about, and denominator tell us always the total number of parts of any object. Got it? अब हम चलते हैं. तो अगेन मैं न्यूमरेटर को एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूं ताकि हर एक छोटे से छोटा बच्चा भी इस टॉपिक को समझ पाए. So numerator says how many parts we are taking from the whole. Just like if I'm saying how many colored part are there, what is the fraction of colored part? So colored part are 1 out of 2. So 1 is my numerator here. Okay, just like if my question is that what is the fraction of yellow colored? So what will you say? How many yellow colors are there? 3 out of total number of parts are 4. So what is numerator here? 3. What is 4 here? Denominator. Always denominator tell us the total number of parts. Okay, so again, if I'm talking about the total number of parts, 2 parts are total number of parts. So 2 is called as a denominator. Okay, so if I will divide any object into 7 equal parts, so then 7 will be my denominator. If I will divide any object into 10 equal parts, then 10 will be my denominator. Okay, so these are some examples. Just like in a clock, you can say that what is the time here? Okay, so 55 minutes out of 60. Just like if I will divide the pizza into 8 equal parts, then this is 1 part out of 8. This is my fraction. If I will divide the cake into 12 equal parts, so how much cake is left? So you see that 11 pieces are left. So 11/12 of the cake is left. And these are kiwis, 1 kiwi and half kiwi, 1 and half. And this is a pastry, just like it is a piece of a cake, 1/12. So this is, if you see that if I will divide the apple into 10 equal parts, so 2 parts are separately and 1 whole apple is there. So 1 2/10. So these are the examples of fraction, in which I have also included the types of fraction, which I will discuss in after the, just like you can say that after the slides. Okay, so first I will do 3 questions, then we will start with the types of fraction. Okay, so again 3 is our numerator and 4 is our denominator. Okay, how will 3/4 looks alike? Okay, if I will divide any object, it can be in a circular shape. You can take, look, you can change in you can use in a square shape also, rectangle shape also. You can use anything. It doesn't matter. Okay, if they are asking you to just show it, so it will be your wish. Okay, how you want to show it. आप इसको कैसा दिखाना चाहते हैं? आपने बस क्या करना है, उसके 4 पार्ट्स आपने इक्वल करने हैं और 3 पार्ट्स को आपने शेड कर दिया है, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 3 पार्ट्स। अगर मेरा ये क्वेश्चन इसमें ऐसा हुआ, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ पर्पल पार्ट्स हियर? सो हाउ मेनी पर्पल पार्ट्स आर देयर? 1 2 3। सो माय आंसर विल बी 3/4। अगर मैंने आपसे वैसे ही जनरली क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ मैं इसी में से, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ब्लू पार्ट्स हियर? So if you see that only one part is blue, so fraction of blue part will be 1/4. Fraction of purple parts will be 3/4. So let's suppose if I will put in a square, so I will divide the square into 4 equal parts. If I'm talking about 3/4, so I will shade 3 portions. So if I will shade 1 portion, 2 portion, any 3 portion I can shade. So this will become 3/4. Okay? So ये हमारा shaded area इस ढंग से हम दिखाते हैं जब भी हमें फ्रैक्शन में बात करें। अब आपके पास क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द बॉल्स आर पर्पल? टेल मी व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द बॉल्स आर पर्पल? हाउ मेनी बॉल्स कैन यू सी पर्पल हियर? ओनली वन। सो 1 अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स 1 2 3 4 5 6। टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स आर 6। सो फ्रैक्शन ऑफ पर्पल बॉल विल बी 1/6. If I'm talking about what is the fraction of blue balls here, that's a 5. So 5/6. Okay. So these you can say that you can think about what is the fraction of the things. Okay, just like I can give you one more example. Let's suppose I am taking Olympia. Olympia. You can write your name as well. Okay. So what is the fraction of, if I say what is the fraction of vowels is in this word? So tell me how many vowels are there? O is a vowel. I is a vowel, A is a vowel. Can any vowel, can you see? O, I, A. Yes, I can see only 3 vowels. So fraction of vowels will be 3 upon total number of letters in this word. How many total number of letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3/8 will be my fractions of vowel in the word Olympia. So now what you have, what is your homework? Just like you have to write your name and you have to write the fraction of vowels in your name. Okay, tell me in the comments. Okay, everyone. So I will move to next question now. What fraction of the rectangle is purple? How many purple parts can you see? I can see 2 purple parts upon total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2/6 is the fraction of the purple parts. What is the fraction of blue parts remaining? That's a 4. So 4/6. Okay. And one more thing, everyone. What is the whole object? If you think that these, we have divided any one object into 6 equal parts. So you can say that 6/6 is your total object. Okay. In which, if I'm talking about, if I will subtract it 2/6, so how much is left? 4/6. So by that way, we will keep in the mind how many pieces are left, how many pieces we have used. Okay. Next one. What fraction of the pins are knocked down? Knocked down means ये कितनी pins इसमें गिरी हुई? ठीक है, तो आप तो बॉलिंग पे सब लोग गए ही होंगे, तो कितनी पिंस गिरी हुई हैं आप देखें तो 3 पिंस गिरी हुई हैं। और टोटल कितनी हुई? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Don't forget this which are knocked down. Okay, because total, we are talking about total. Denominator means always total. But it doesn't matter हम उसे यूज कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमें तो टोटल पार्ट्स लेने हैं। टोटल बॉल्स हुई 10, उसमें से कितने नॉकडाउन हुई? 3. So 3/10 will be the fraction. Got it? Okay, so it is a Olympiad question for you. So I think you can start now. I think मुझे लग रहा है बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स इसका आंसर दे पाएंगे. Ravi bought 7 cans of paint and used 4 cans. Okay, उसने 7 cans खरीदे हैं but he used only 4 cans. So what is the fraction of did he use? So कितने यूज किए उसने? 4 cans out of total. So 4/7 will be your fraction. Okay, so 4/7 will be your answer. Got it? Next one more Olympiad question for you. What fraction of the socks are yellow to the right of red socks? Everyone, इस क्वेश्चन में मुझे ज्यादातर चांसेस हैं कि बहुत बच्चे इसको रॉन्ग करेंगे। आपको हमेशा स्टेटमेंट बहुत अच्छे से पढ़नी है। मैंने इसमें यह नहीं पूछा कि येलो सोक्स की फ्रैक्शन क्या है। अगर मैं ये पूछूंगी व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ येलो सोक्स, तो आप मुझे आंसर देंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। 8 बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ सोक्स आर 12, so 8 by 12. My answer is not this one because I didn't ask this question. मैंने क्या पूछा है? मैंने पूछा है राइट ऑफ द रेड सॉक्स में कितनी येलो सॉक्स है। अगर आप देखें दिस इज माय रेड सॉक्स, हाउ मेनी येलो सॉक्स इन द राइट ऑफ रेड सॉक्स, देयर आर ओनली 2, so 2 out of 12 will be my answer. Got it everyone? Look, एलोमेट क्वेश्चंस में आपके पास आपको कंसेप्ट सब आता होगा, सिर्फ आपको क्वेश्चंस को ही थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके दिया जाएगा और आपको उस चीज को समझना है। ओके आपको उसी चीज को अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द येलो सॉक्स विच आर राइट ऑफ द रेड सॉक्स, सो राइट ऑफ द रेड सॉक्स आर 2 येलो सॉक्स ओनली, सो आई हैव टू write 2 by yellow. If I will, my question is that what fraction of the socks are yellow to the left of the red socks? तो मैं सिर्फ लेफ्ट वाली काउंट करूंगी 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो मेरा आंसर आएगा 6 by 12. Then I will not count the right ones. Okay, so please read the question properly. Okay, now my next question. A pizza was divided into 7 equal parts. You have a pizza, we have to divide into 7 equal parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's suppose I have to move a little one, please. Okay, if I didn't make it the equal parts, but it doesn't matter because I'm making drawing here, but the parts should be equal when we are talking about fraction. Okay, 7 equal parts. Okay, John 8 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is the, every part is a 1 by 7. So John 8 this portion. Fine. Kiara 8 2 by 2 parts. One part Kiara 8 and one more part, 2 part Kiara 8. Now how much pizza is left? What fraction of pizza was left? 1 2 3 4. So 4 out of 7 will be my answer. Okay. So आप ऐसे ही देख सकते हैं कि 7 टोटल पार्ट्स हुए, जिसमें से 1 पार्ट जॉन ने लिया, क्यारा ने 2 पार्ट्स लिए, तो 3 पीसेस दे हैव टेकन. सो हाउ मच पीसेस? टोटल पीसेस आर 7 by 7. तो उसमें से 3 by 7 यूज कर लिए, तो 4 by 7 हमारे पास बच गए. सो 4 by 7 द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द पिज्जा वाज लेफ्ट. देखो अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में आपसे ये पूछा जाए हाउ मेनी पीसेस आर लेफ्ट, देन योर आंसर विल बी 4. अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाए व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ पिज्जा वाज लेफ्ट, so fraction, in fraction you always have to give in the answer in the form of numerator upon denominator. अगर आपने 4 लिखा तो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. तो फ्रैक्शन के लिए आपको न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर की फॉर्म में ही आंसर लिखना होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. शिखा हैज सम फ्लावर्स printed on her t-shirt. Wow, nice t-shirt, right? What fraction of the yellows on the flowers on the t-shirt are red? How many red? 1 2 3. 3 red flowers are there out of total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 by 7 will be my answer. Got it? Okay. So now this was the simple basic. Now we will start what are the types of fraction. Okay. So there are many types of fractions. Proper, improper, mixed, like, unlike, unit, whole, equivalent. So I will start with a proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? Proper fraction is normal a fraction. Just like I have given example, I have eaten 3 pieces out of 4. This is my proper fraction. Okay. I have eaten 3 pieces out of 4. That is my proper fraction, in which my numerator is less than the denominator, just like 3 by 4. Okay. Because I am talking about only one object here. I am talking about their parts. I am not talking about more than one object. Okay. So that is my proper fraction. And its value, if you see that total parts are 4 by 4. And I am talking about always less than 4 parts here. So this is my proper fraction. It will be always less than 1. And what is an improper fraction? Improper fraction, just opposite of that. आप इसको उल्टा कर दीजिए. 4 by 3, just like an example. Okay. So जिसमें हमारा न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होगा उसे बोला जाता है इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन। और एक फ्रैक्शन आती है मिक्स नंबर। Mixed number is a number whose value is greater than 1 and made up of whole part and fraction. Just like one pizza full and 1 by 4. I have eaten one pieces out of the another pizza. I will give it with examples now. Okay. Just like if I'm talking about this pizza and I have eaten one part only. So I'm smaller. So that is my proper fraction. And if I have eaten one full pizza, I was very hungry at that day. Okay. So I have eaten 4 out of 4 here. And I have eaten 3 parts out of this one as well. Oh my God. So how much pieces I have eaten? 7. So what is this? 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It will become 7 by 4. This is my improper fraction. Okay. This is my improper fraction. If I will write in the form of I have taken one whole pizza and here 3 by 4 parts. So this is called as my mixed fraction. मैंने एक पिज्जा तो पूरा खा लिया और मैंने दूसरे पिज्जा का 3 by 4 पार्ट ले लिया। ठीक है, तो ये मेरा हुआ 1 3 by 4 मिक्स फ्रैक्शन, जिसमें मैंने एक होल नंबर डाल दिया और एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन डाली। सो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन is always equal to any whole number plus any proper fraction. It can't be improper fraction here. Keep in mind this thing. Okay. So if I will write in this form, this is called improper fraction. And if I will write this topic in this form, this is called as the mixed fraction. So we can convert mixed fraction into improper and improper into mixed. Got my point? So I will tell you the tricks how will you do that. Okay. So these are the mixed fraction. A proper fraction are together. Mixed fractions and improper fractions are same. We can use any to show the same. Just like one whole pizza, 3 by 4. And if I have eaten 7 pieces out of 8. So this way I have also shown by that way. Okay. So after that, now I will tell you how do we, you can say that, how do we exchange? We learn about how do we change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Just like I have given 1 3 by. What is the method? You know that what happened in a math? M for multiplication always comes before addition in a BODMAS formula, right? Everywhere. If all the operations will be there, तो हमें सबसे पहले हम अगर हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन दोनों ही एक एक्सप्रेशन में हो तो हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले यूज करना पड़ता है. So by that way you keep in mind, first you have to do multiply. 4 multiply with the 1 is 4. Then you have to add 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. By I will write denominator as it. So it will become 7 by 4. That is my improper fraction. You can see that the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. So what is a mixed fraction? In which I have to multiply first, then I will add. Okay. So this will become my, I can change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So now these are the examples of fraction. Proper is a 7 by 20, in which numerator is less than the denominator, in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed is any whole number plus any proper fraction. Okay, so you have to tell me the one example of proper, improper and mixed. Tell me proper any example. 8 by 10, 8 by 9. Okay, these are the proper fraction. Improper, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 11 by 5. These are improper. Mixed, 1 plus 2 by 5, 2 plus 2 by 5, 3 plus 3 by 5.